If your computer is getting hanged, there are a few steps you can take to try to fix it. Close any unnecessary programs. If you have too many programs running at the same time, it can cause your computer to slow down or even freeze. Close any programs that you are not using to free up system resources. Restart your computer. This can sometimes help clear out any temporary issues that may be causing your computer to freeze. Check for updates. Make sure that your operating system and all of your programs are up to date. Sometimes updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Scan for malware. A virus or other type of malware could be causing your computer to hang. Run a malware scan to check for any infections. Check your hardware. If your computer is still freezing after trying the above steps, it could be a hardware issue. Check that all cables are securely plugged in and run hardware diagnostics to check for any issues. If you are still experiencing problems, it may be best to contact a professional computer repair service for assistance.